Hello guys, spend a day with me as we launch the newest residential address in Keleleshwa. So today we're gonna be networking, having fun, and learning more about this project. Stay tuned.
That is what you expect to get at the radio place. Alright, so right about now, of course, I'm going to be welcoming the sales director, who is Mona. A round of applause for Mona as she comes to give us a little bit about this.
This project, we only offer 264 units in total, which is very low density, comparing with all projects around us, that area, yes. For this project, we have 4 basement parking floors, only for residents, semi-ground parking floors for visitor. What we want, we just want to keep our residents more privacy. We have ground floor, mezzanine level, and rooftop for lifestyle amenities. Between them, we have 24 residential floors. So for this project, we still have 26 floors. This is our poolside lounge. We use dark color, adjustable glass door, and distributed lighting, stone finishing to make this area quiet, elegant, but a little bit luxury.
Before we start designing, we ask ourselves a question. How can we protect this feeling instead of replacing it? It took us almost 6 months to finish the design and help us to find the right answer. Please look at the central courtyard at Keleleshwa Place. It combines trees, waterfall features on both sides, reflective pool, and the stone paceway to create a very peaceful, nature-inspired living environment. We are not like other apartments where you once arrive your home, what you see is only the cold concrete or the parking levels. Finally, I'd like to close my presentation with a quote from Winston Churchill. We shape our buildings, thereafter they shape us. Every decision we make today, every window, every balcony, every tree, every public space will influence how people living tomorrow. At Keleleshwa Place, we didn't design a simple building. We designed a way of living. Thank you once again for joining us today. Thank you for believing our vision and taking this journey with us. Thank you very much.
Passing trends of developments are everywhere right now. You want an apartment right now? There's one down the street. You want in Kilimani? I got you. You want in Lavington, Kileleshwa? You will not lack an apartment to invest in or to buy for your own living. Apartments like this, I can only count a few. Those that bring back quiet luxury.
My name is Arthur. I'm an investor and also a real estate agent, so I fit both profiles. So I feel like it's important to acknowledge that opportunities do have timelines. So at the moment when the property is new and fresh in the market, everyone has the opportunity to come and grab whatever it is they can. But then we cannot stop everyone who would want to have the same kind of unit. So at this rate, now you decide to have, like, it's a give and take situation, yeah? So you either pay within a specific threshold, a specific time that is agreed upon you getting the offer letter, or you sacrifice that opportunity to the next person who is willing and ready to jump in on that unit at that specific time. So I feel like it's really, because I also understand from the perspective of the developer, you need to have cash flow, and it is very important that when someone is booking a unit, they also meet their obligations. So I think it's also good to attach a timeline to the offer, basically. So at this rate, when someone is willing to pay up upfront, yes, you can be able to give that unit, but also remember, I always believe that any person who is subscribing to a unit has the intention to go all the way to completion. Yes. Yeah. So I feel like it is also important that you give fair chance to the other party who subscribed first, because they came in when the opportunity was still open. So give a fair chance to them. But then if that fair chance lapses, you can always give that to the next person.
Now we're going to get to the countdown. Get to the countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, as you can see, this event is amazing. We've had games, we have raffle tickets, we've had amazing food, amazing desserts. People have seen the project and so far they're loving it. Let me see what another guest thinks and feels about this event. What do you think about the project that has been launched today?
Okay, today I feel like the project has been one of a kind. Because nowadays you don't usually find such projects where you get to get the views of the forest, the greens. So I feel like the project is quite nice, to be honest. Yeah.
How did you enjoy the event itself? Have you had something nice to eat?
I am so full. Actually, I don't think I'm eating for the next 3 days. The food was so good.
Yeah.
As a sweet tooth, I loved the dessert. It was amazing. The cakes.
Yeah.
And the wine is also so good.
I can see you won something today.
Yeah, I'm very happy. You know, I've never won anything.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it. How did you win it?
It's a raffle. They were running a raffle.
Okay.
And I believe that I can always be lucky.
Of
So I've
course.
had a whole new perception. You know, I've never won a lottery or raffle. So I'm very proud of this one.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
I hope you're going to enjoy the product.
For sure.
How did you think about the event itself?
The event was very well organized.
Okay.
I like you guys were on time. And then now even the project itself, it's a I really like the finishing, and it is a well thought development.
Nice.
Yeah, it is not like any other.
Besides the project, what did you think about today?
Today was actually a really good day. I loved it. The launch was actually nice. We got to learn a lot about the project. Yeah.
And it was a success. The food, the dessert, the music, the ambience.
Everything
was amazing.
To satisfaction.
So what would you tell people who are watching you or listening to you today about getting a unit in this new project in Kileleshwa?
So this project, the location is perfect.
Okay.
Prices very affordable. What's making amenities, everything perfect. What's making you not to get a unit from us?
Well,
starting from 6.2, you have a unit. We have a payment plan. Come get your unit.
So what do you think about this event tonight?
I've been looking forward to this event, to be honest.
Okay.
I've known this development since we did the groundbreaking, and it's something that really caught my attention. The fact it's very different. It's very the location is fantastic.
Yeah.
It's in a very green area, which I really like.
Yeah.
I also like the layouts, the floor plans, and the sizes as well. They're very functional. And knowing the developer, what they did, they're currently doing in Westlands, I think they're going to pull a very good job.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Hi, how are you doing?
Good.
You're looking amazing tonight.
Thank you.
Okay. So just one word for our future investors and our future homeowners. What should you tell them?
I feel like this is one project that really touches all the aspects that need to be touched. Like there's an aspect of home ownership, there's an aspect of investor returns, there's an aspect of modern lifestyle, and there's also luxury living within it. So I feel like because it touches all these things, it sure is the best residence that you can have right now in Kileleshwa. Yes.
Amazing. So as you have seen and as you've heard, this launch was a success. It was amazing. We've eaten, we've had fun, we've danced, we've enjoyed beautiful ambience. And as you have been told earlier, that this project has a 3-year payment plan. So what are you waiting for? Book a unit today. Give us a call. The number is on the screen.